Get in there! Get in there! There you go. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Caleb, come on, Caleb. Where's the yellow? Where's the yellow? No yellow. There you go. Make this happen, guys. Take it in! Take it in!
Right at it, Roman. Right at it, baby. There's the ball coming out, Zach. Let's strong.
There you go. Pop it back up. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
No vengan tanto, no, ahí quédense en la línea, mijo, en el medio. Go, boys, 5 minutes. Vayan, presionen, presionen.
Good help, good help. Good job, boys.
Handball. That's a handball. There you go.
Nice. Get up now. Get up.
Come, Brady! Juega. Keep working, man. There you go. Danny. Keep working, Taylor. Keep working.
Let's go, guys. Go to it. Go to it.
Pasa a la portería.
minutes, Taylor.
2 minutes.
Let it go, let it go, let it go. There you go.
Good job. Vamos, saca para allá. Pressure,
Go get it, go get it. Go get it.
Come on, forward. Line up, D, line up. Do not give this up, guys.
Good job.
Come on, mark up, boys. Whale. All right. Yeah.
Go.
Send it long.
Go to the ball. Go to the ball. Go to the ball. Pop it up. There it is. There it is. There it is. He fouled him. Go get it.
Let's finish.
Go get the ball.
Finish, boys.
Go to it. Go to it.
Come on, over.
Where's that?
Time's up.
Go to it. Go to it. Go to it.
Yeah.
Go to it. Go to it. Yeah.
Whistle.
Go to it, Taylor. Go to it. Go to it.
He got fouled too. I was already complaining for the foul, and then the ball trickled in.